Just about to start my lap training. It is currently 12:18. I'm gonna try and swim till about 12:45, so it's just under half an hour, and just try and do lengths back and forth, and I'll be counting how many I get. So here we go. Holy jeez. That's like 4 laps in, already pooped. So what I'm really trying to focus on is keeping my core engaged and trying to stay as long in the body as I can. And when I swim and as I rotate like a pig on a spit side to side, I'm still trying to keep my legs active as I do that. So those are the things that I'm working on in my swimming technique, making sure that I am able to have a good form and be able to keep that form even as my body starts to get tired. That's it. That's the half an hour mark. I really felt my form getting sloppy towards the end there. But first day's over. Here I am inside the hot sauna. It's one of my favorite places. Try and make it here at least 3-4 times a week. And after a swimming session, it's good to always just stretch out, make sure your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes and hips and everything, you're getting them nice and relaxed and open, and that way when the next time you're training, your muscles have not seized up and they're not all tight. As long as you keep stretching after the workouts, it really helps to keep you nice and limber. 5-10 minutes, just do a few quick stretches, and then that's it, I'm off for the day.